A is equal to 1 1 1 1 and I is a 2 by 2 identity matrix, then e raised to a is. So by exponentiation of matrix, we already seen if all the element is same, right? What is the method? What is the general formula for e raised to a we studied? If a is an n by n matrix, right? So here 2 by 2 matrix, so n is equal to 2. Then I n plus, right? Then I2. Here I2 plus a by n, that means n is the order, e raised to n minus 1. Here n is 2 means e raised to a is equal to 2 by 2 matrix they given us, 2 by 2 identity matrix they mentioned as I. So I plus a by 2 into e square minus 1. This is the formula, right? So this I can write e square minus 1 by 2 into a. So this is correct, right?